In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Iriun Webcam app. If you are facing any issue with your app, maybe the app can't open, it is not working properly, or it keeps crashing, or even it is too slow, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix it. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to access Iriun Webcam app info page for you to troubleshoot it. To do this, you can long press your app and you should see app info or a settings gear or the name of the app. Just tap on it to access the app info page. However, if you don't see this and you are on Android smartphone, just go to settings, and on settings look for apps and then look for manage apps or all apps. Here search the app by name, and once you find it, if you tap on it, you will access the app info page. Here you want first to go down below and force stop the app to halt any background activities. Then head to clear data and choose clear cache and OK. At this point, you will need to restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted, now everything should be okay. But should this not fix your issue, then come back to the app info page, and this time around clear all data by tapping on it, and then you'll need to log in afresh because this process will log you out. But should this not work, then go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android. I'll go to Google Play Store and here search for your app. So here is Iriun Webcam, and if you tap on it, check and see if you have any update, then update your app to the latest version. But should you still experience issues such as your app crashing, for that you'll need to uninstall the app and install it afresh. By doing so, this will remove or fix any bugs that might be associated with your Iriun Webcam app. So let me know which of these four methods was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.